Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use max strength drain cleaner safely and effectively. First, let's talk about safety. It's super important to protect yourself. Always wear sturdy rubber gloves and safety glasses to shield your hands and eyes from the powerful chemicals. Make sure your workspace is well ventilated, perhaps by opening a window, to prevent inhaling any strong fumes. Always read the product's specific instructions and warnings thoroughly before you begin. Now let's prepare for application. Before you pour, remove any standing water from the clogged sink or tub. This allows the cleaner to reach the clog directly and work more efficiently. Carefully measure the amount specified on the product label, usually around 1/2 to 1 full bottle for severe clogs. Pour the cleaner slowly and directly into the drain opening, being very careful to avoid any splashing onto your skin or surrounding fixtures. Precision is key here. Once the cleaner is in, it's time to let it do its job. Allow the product to sit in the drain for the recommended time, which is usually between 15 and 30 minutes, but always check your specific product's instructions. During this waiting period, do not use the sink or tub at all. After the waiting time, flush the drain thoroughly with a strong stream of hot water for several minutes to completely clear the clog and rinse away any remaining cleaner. If the clog isn't completely gone after the first attempt, you can repeat the process one more time, but never exceed 2 applications within a 24-hour period. If the drain remains clogged, it's best to call a professional plumber to avoid potential damage to your pipes. Finally, always store your drain cleaner in a secure, cool, and dry place, far out of reach of children and pets, to ensure everyone's safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.